So today we're going to be trying to seal up a leak at the top of the windshield here. Leaks down into here and onto the floorboard. So we want to try to get that stopped. So we need to get this molding out of the way first. It's got clips behind it. Should just pop out of the clips. Just be very careful not to try not to break it. Alright, there's that piece. And these clips are held onto these little nail looking pieces right here, so those should just go back on. You want to be very careful with this molding piece because it's actually more expensive to replace than the windshield, or it's about the same price as the windshield, I guess. Go. So now we should be able to get to that area pretty easily. So here we are. We just got to remove this old sealant right here so we can, I've just got some caulk that we're going to throw on here and just temporarily, because probably going to replace this windshield eventually. So I removed some of the caulk out of here. I don't have a full tube, so I don't think I have enough to do the whole thing, but I think the rest of it's probably fine. Like I said, I'm gonna get this replaced eventually anyway. If anyone knows of any place online that sells these windshields without the shipping cost being as much as or more than the windshield itself, let me know and I'll make a video on it. Otherwise, it's about the same price to just have someone else, like a Safelite, replace it for you with the shipping cost for the glass and everything. So I'm just gonna throw a bunch of caulk in here, just fill it up as much as I can. I was kind of worried that there'd be rust and that's why it was leaking, but it doesn't. I don't see any rust. I've had that issue before on another truck, but I think that's because it had a visor on it. So we're just gonna seal this up. used up the rest of the tube. I think it's in there pretty good. I used just some waterproof caulk. So now we just got to put the molding back on. We got it all back together. Thanks for watching and God bless.